Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how I fix the printout size for the HotLabel M9HD from this to this. So basically I had an issues with the printer when I first bought it, and I almost returned it back to the seller. But I was looking down into the printer settings, and then this is what I found. So if you go into the printer device, and then you go into the printer properties, you can see that this one it displays as the 203 dpi, while the actual printer is advertised as 300 dpi. So I was thinking that maybe it's because of the printer sees that as a 203 dpi, that's why it prints only like 2/3 the size of this paper, which means 30% is missing. That's like around 100 dpi. So I was trying to find a way to change the dpi setting for this one, but I couldn't find it. So what I did was I looked into the other model. I think they have the other one. It's called HotLabel A300, and that one supports the 300 dpi. But I assume that if you are buying the M9 model, not the HD one, just the M9, I think it should be fine, because the M9 only supports up to 203 dpi, but the M9 HD does support up to 300 dpi. But what happened is that the driver only displays as 203. I think that's where the issue is. So what I did was, let's say we print this one, and this one is the one with the 203 dpi. I couldn't find any way to fix it. So I'll show you what it looks like when I print it. There you go. Now, this is the 203 dpi. Now that's not what I want. I want it to be printed fully to the size of this paper. So I found a way to fix that by installing a 300 dpi, which is if you just go to the driver itself where you install it, just run it and install the driver again, but instead of M9HD, you choose A300, and I already installed it. I don't have to install it again, but once you install it, it's gonna appear here in the printer dialog. So you can change this from M9HD to A300, or if it's not showing here, you can just click see more, and then you see all the printer available here. So just choose A300. Once you choose it, and then when you print it, it's gonna be fully to the size of the paper that you want. And that's how I fix it. I don't know how they're gonna fix it. I think this is the driver issues. They should fix the M9HD driver issues. When we install it, it should be displayed at 300 dpi, not 203 dpi. So I hope this one fixes your issues as well. And I think these issues only appears on the M9HD model, not the M9 model. So leave a comment if this one fixed your printer as well. Thank you.